Okay, so this blue line is the positive, orange line is the negative. So you can see that's how I solder these, thing to make it solid so that it doesn't move, you know. And the solder gun, after a while, you have to use the sandpaper to sharpen it, to get rid of the solder that's on the leftover solder on the solder gun. So that's pretty much it. You can see it's not going anywhere. This one is not going anywhere either. I'm just pushing this plastic condom over. Hopefully I can cover this, and now on. I'm gonna put the solder on this one, so I'm gonna push the condom or the rubber boots back. And this one is positive. So I'm gonna try to push it in. Not sure what's going on here. And oh, I forgot the rubber boots for this blue wire. Rubber boots can protect this from water into the contact points. So anyway, I'm gonna solder this. Okay, let's see if we can solder this. Still not. Okay, I think this is hot enough now. Yeah, you can see it's melting. Oh. Okay, so hopefully that's gonna make it not move. Oh, not really. Still moving a little bit, so now that is not moving. Now I'm gonna do the one below. Okay. Still moving. Just gonna have to push this in. see if it's moving. Still moving a little bit. See, it's weird. Give it a few more solders. Let's see if that's gonna make it not move. Okay, that seems to do the trick.